Hello everyone, this is me Amanpreet, co-founder from Amrit Vision, and many of the parents or the students are asking us to explain more about the Cambridge International Board students and IB diploma. So yes, this both kind of students can skip their student colleague in Germany and they can get direct access to the bachelor's in Germany. It can be English taught program, it can be German taught program, it depends what program do you want to study. So yes, now talking about the Cambridge A-level students and IB diploma. So here, IBTP. So when we are a student of A levels, it is very easy that we have to select 3 subjects at level A, and the grades here should be A star, A, B or C. If you have a grade of D or E, you're not entitled to study in Germany. Your grades will not be calculated then. How A-levels work in Germany? Now, let's say if you wanted to study mechanical engineering, so you have to have 3 A-level subject combination. So, one is mathematics to be taken compulsory. Then you can select chemistry or physics or biology or computer science. So any of the 2 subjects you can take from this portion, and one mathematics is compulsory. So when you combine these subjects, then you can choose your bachelor studies. For IB diploma students, it is total 6 subjects they have to consider. So the first one is mathematics, other is language, A or B. So there should be 1 mathematics subject compulsory, 2 languages at level A or B, 1 is social science, 4th subject should be natural science, and the last 6th should be any subject related to applied chemistry, environmental science, art or design or music. So here these are the list of 6 subjects what the student should have of IBDP. Now again, their calculation is also different. So out of 7, the student should have at least 4 marks, and accordingly their average grade is counted. But the best part with IBDP is even if you don't have the combination of the programs, you are still allowed to do your student colleague in Germany, and then you can go ahead with your bachelor's and your dream here will not be shattered. While with A-level students, if you do not have the combination of the programs, you are not allowed to do the student colleague, and hence your German dream is over and you have to go to any other country and do your bachelor's there. So yes, most important part here is about the combination of the programs we have to select while we are selecting our bachelor's programs in Germany. But here at Amrit Vision, we help you out to decide the programs, what you would like to choose and what subjects you should have in your A-levels or IB diploma, what should be your timeline and when we have to start applying. Because with A-level students, there are 2 terms the examination is conducted, Feb-March intake and June-July intake. So the students with Feb-March intake, what should be their target intake, and the students who are giving their examination in August, when they should target their bachelor's in Germany. So all these queries, it can be solved with us. That is it, Amanpreet at Amrit Vision. For more information, you have to contact me and we will solve all your doubts related to both of this pathway, and this is how you can start your bachelor's in Germany. Thank you.